our first stop here is to eat pizza. Look at that. So let's try it. Pizza. Pizza. We arrived in New York City right now, so we're just walking. I'm showing Josh the beauty of this place.
I'm enjoying it.
I'm enjoying it too. I mean, I'm from a big city and I like big cities. I like big cities and I cannot lie to other brother can deny. Exactly. So I'm just showing him around, and then we're just gonna visit some movie locations. Well, yeah, don't. Tomorrow we're gonna visit some shows, some TV shows location, and some movie locations. We're gonna see what we're gonna do, but for now it's just fun to walk around a little.
Yeah.
It's fun. Look, this is what I miss about a big city, right? So look how much you have in less than a block. No, not House of Lasagna. No. It's because the truck's over there. But you have
pizza, Korean, Indian, steak, lasagna,
and like, oh my god, look at that. Oh, the Empire State Building, yeah, gorgeous. Yeah, so we just keep walking around here. Look at us. How's the lasagna? See, fresh pasta. So, oh, again. I keep doing that.
Hey, babe,
Is what that? Oh, yeah. There you go. That's what we're like. See?
So we're officially in the bar that
Inspired. How I Met Your Mother.
Yes. So we're just gonna eat. See how it goes.
McLarens.
It's cool though.
It's cool so now. So we're gonna see how fun it is. So
Catch
show
you
you
on the
another
flip side.
Catch on the other side. See, this is Jashi. I'm gonna teach you how to live.
No, I'm gonna teach you how to live.
Sura.
I met you at Young, right?
Drink. I just need a straw now. Okay, so we got
Legendary.
is a legendary burger.
No, it's barbecue chicken.
Barbecue
Look
chicken.
at that.
And
Look how big that is.
Yeah, and we're gonna share because it looks like a lot of food, and I'm hungry, but I'm not that hungry. So
We had pizza earlier.
we had pizza earlier. Yeah, sounds good. All right, we just got our shirt here at McGees. Cool, right? Show the shirt. It's going to be legend. Wait for it, because Josh's first time in New York and he's loving it. We might move over here. Very. New Jersey, no Jersey. Yeah, wait.
So yes, the inspiration of the Prince building right up here. So this house here was created by the people who created
Ken and Barbie.
Ken and Barbie and Motel
Big.
toys, but they've had them. Yeah. So
It's like
it's crazy.
Did she say it was the first house in Manhattan?
It was the first house in Manhattan, yeah. So, and it's aged obviously, but that's that's just amazing that would be here.
So we're actually in Soho right now. Yay, so now we're gonna walk.
I'm just gonna see some fancy stores that I didn't use a lot. And restaurants, hotel, lunch and dinner, Italian, so good. Alright, we are Joey and the juice again. No.
The
smoothie.
Yeah, smoothie.
Protein shake, vegan protein shake.
It sucks.
And
this
sandwich.
Is like a turkey sandwich.
Turkey sandwich, pretty good.
It's pretty good. My shake, which they go, oh, that's more unhealthy for you, which is probably true. It's a strawberry shake. It's delicious. Even though hers looks delicious, it sucks. Mine looks horrible. It's delicious.
God, this is so cool. Hang on, let me just film this real quick. Hang on. Go. Go.
All right, so we're gonna try and see if it kills us or not, but we heard this 99-cent pizza was good, so let's try it and we'll let you know how it is. So I'm back home. Joanna's in the shower. And the 99-cent pizza was actually pretty good. I was surprised. I had 2 slices. She had 1. Her friend had 1. And it wasn't as good as the $5 pizza, but it was still good. I'd probably get that most time. And then every once in a while splurge on, something a little bit better. But I was very surprised how good it was. So just giving you an update on that since I told you I would.